Wishing you all Happy International Day of the World Indigenous People. Good evening, everyone. Today we gather to celebrate the International Day of the World Indigenous People observed on 9 August every year. This special day reminds us to respect the identity, culture, language, tradition, and rights of indigenous people around the world. Indigenous communities have preserved their unique heritage for generations and have made valuable contribution to society. Let us stand together to promote equality, dignity, peace and inclusion for all indigenous people. We should protect their culture, support their rights, and appreciate the diversity they bring to our world. Thank you all. Again, happy International Day of the World Indigenous People.